Hey, deserving listeners. So, this episode is chapter 15 in my deep dive on limerence. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about how limerence and autism and ADHD can look alike or maybe be the same thing or be related or be risk factors. There's a lot of things to talk about. The reason why I'm doing this chapter so late after the deep dive, it's been a few months, is because after I did the deep dive, I received a lot of emails and I recorded 2 chapters of the deep dive responding to your emails, and they were really interesting emails. And then after I published those, I received even more emails, again, very interesting emails, but a lot of the emails were addressing issues I had already covered. But a couple emails, for example, from annual patron Jane from Quebec and anonymous patron, they wrote in about various things, but also were asking questions about autism spectrum and ADHD. And I realized that in the deep dive, I never really went into it sufficiently. So I thought I would do that in this chapter. I'm guessing this will be the final chapter of the deep dive. Who knows? But if you want to hear this episode, you have to become a patron. So become a patron. Otherwise, please take care of yourself because you deserve it. You really, really do.